Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable call recording on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your phone application on your Android phone. And just remember guys that maybe the step will be a little different between one Android to another Android. It depends on the Android version, and my Android is Samsung, so this is for the Samsung phone. So after that, we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we just need to click on settings and wait guys. Okay, and since we want to enable the call recording, we just need to click on record calls right here. Then we can click on auto record call and we can activate it by clicking on the toggle button. And you can choose either you want to record all calls with unsaved numbers, or call with specific numbers. And for me, I'm just going to click on calls with unsaved number. Alright guys, and that's how we can enable call recording on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.